Substance abuse can affect people from all walks of life, including America's best. WBZ's Levan Reid got a closer look into the Recovery Center of America. They're hosting programs specifically for first responders and veterans.
It happens here, Westminster. Settled in 1737, Westminster achieved national news in November 2014 when the Board of Health proposed banning all sales of tobacco. The Old Mill is in Westminster and has been serving the community for more than 250 years. First responders spend their lives helping others, but what happens when they need help after traumatic events?
It gets placed in a place where I really don't want to deal with it. You know, there really is no healthy way of going about it because of some of the stigmas that go with being in law enforcement, being in the corrections field.
Chris Rodriguez is a veteran, and he's currently a correctional officer in Connecticut. He says the day-to-day can take a toll.
Some of that stuff has gotten buried, and you know, some of it would come up, and the only way to really get away from it and try and put it in a place where I wanted it was to self-medicate.
Well, the Recovery Center of America in Westminster can help with that problem.
Our mission is to save 1 million lives. We want people to come in here and feel safe and feel cared for and feel respected.
The RCA has a program in place called RESCU. It's specifically set up to help first responders with recovery.
Knowing that these people understand what you've been through, they really get you at a whole different level than anybody else probably will. And I think that's absolutely important when it comes to recovery. It takes the stigma away.
Furthermore, the actual clinical programming itself is designed around the unique traumas that people in the first responder community experience.
Also, the rescue program is run by first responders. That's a huge bonus. Chris says being able to talk to people in the program has changed his life, and it can do the same for others.
You can open up about what you went through, and you can identify with other people in the room with you. You know, and identifying instead of comparing is one of the best things that we can do in recovery, and sit here and say, like, I understand that. I've been through that. Let's talk about it more.
Maybe you know of a first responder in need, or maybe you're a first responder watching this and you want to know more about the program. Well, it's spelled RESCU, and it's helping many, and it's extremely discreet. I'm Levan Reid for WBZ News.